Hello friends, today our topic is S block elements. So what are S block elements? S block elements are those elements in which the last electron enters the S subshell. Last electron enters the S subshell. S block elements are divided into two groups, G1 and G2, group 1 and group 2. Group 1 consists of alkali metals. Why these metals are known as alkali metals? Because their oxides and hydroxides are basic in nature. Due to their basic nature, these metals are known as alkali metals, and group 2 metals are known as alkaline earth metal. Alkaline earth metals. Because their oxides and hydroxides also basic in nature and existing in earth. So these are known as alkaline earth metal. As we know, metals are non-reactive like iron and copper are not so reactive. But here we are discussing such a type of metals which are highly reactive like lithium, sodium. Sodium is so reactive we can't keep it in open because due to its reactivity we kept it into the kerosene oil. Now their electronic configuration. Electronic configuration of lithium. As we know, atomic number is 3, so 1s2 and 2s1. Last electron enters the S subshell, belongs to S block elements. Their general electronic configuration is ns1. The principal quantum number n changes from lithium to sodium to potassium. In lithium, principal quantum number is 2, 2s1, and in sodium 3s1, 4s1, and so on. Due to increase in principal quantum number in successive element, their size goes on increasing. As the number of cells are increasing in every element, so size goes on increasing. Now their physical and chemical properties. First is the atomic and ionic radius. Atomic and ionic radius. Atomic radius. Down the group, as we move, there is increase in the principal quantum number and the number of cell goes on increasing. So size and as well as atomic radii goes on increasing down the group. For both group, alkali and alkaline earth metal, atomic and ionic radii goes on increasing. Now ionization energy. What is ionization energy? Ionization energy is the energy required to remove outermost electron from the outermost shell of an element. Outermost shell, as we know, like in lithium, 1s2, 2s1. 2 electron in 1s subshell and 1 electron in 2s subshell. We have to remove this electron. So it is easy to remove this electron because it is loosely bounded to the nucleus. So their ionization enthalpy or energy is very low. Now second ionization energy. This is first ionization energy. First means to remove outermost electron. Second ionization energy is very high because as we move outermost electron we attain noble gas configuration like helium. Noble gas configuration is so stable that we can't remove or we require a lot of energy to remove any one of these electrons. So their second ionization energy is very high. Next, they are electropositive character. Alkali metals and alkaline earth metals are electropositive in character. Electropositive means can lose electron. Their tendency to lose electron show that these are electropositive in nature. Electronegativity, as we know, is the tendency to attract electron or accept the electron. But here metals lose electrons, so these are electropositive in nature. Next is the electron affinity. What is electron affinity? Electron affinity is the amount of energy released when an electron is added to the outermost shell of an atom. Electron affinity. As we know, the size goes on increasing down the group. The electron affinity goes on increasing down the group. Electron affinity goes on increasing. Next, there are hydroxides and oxides. They have a tendency to form hydroxides and oxides with water and air, like lithium plus water. Their hydroxides are formed with formula MOH for alkali metals, and for alkaline earth metal like magnesium plus water gives MgOH2, means general formula is MOH2. Their oxides and also hydroxides are basic in nature. They also form oxides like lithium plus O2. When we kept in open, then this general formula is M2O. For alkaline earth metal, magnesium plus oxygen gives MgO with general formula MO. These are also basic in nature. Thank you.